happened like within 2 days. So to have this handy when I'm like waiting to get picked up or something, you can just clean it up. I'm excited. So let's try it out.
Now you made it.
Hard to get to areas. Okay, here it is all set up. I'm gonna try it here where there's like, hair. This is the driver's side. See? Oh my god, I'm so excited right now. It's awesome. I can't wait to just do my whole car. Now I just can't even wait to have a free moment in my car when I'm waiting so that I can take this out and clean it. I'm so excited. Okay, let's try it in the back with all this other film.
The sky is on fire. And they get turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna run.
Okay, so update now that I've used it for a little bit. The post piece keeps coming off, but if you keep your hand on it while you're doing the vacuum, it works fine. I do wish it was a little stronger of a vacuum, but like, what can you expect for something that you are hooking into your car? Like, it's just like for quick cleanup. It's not for major, deep cleans. So I'm happy with it. I give it like a 8.5 out of 10. And I'm definitely gonna keep it in my car.